The data blending feature allows you to join data from different data sources. Let's take a look at how it works. Here I have 3 tables, one from Google Ads, one from Facebook Ads, and finally, one from Google Analytics. Our goal is to blend those into one table to create charts, tables, controls, and calculations based on fields from these different data sources. To start a blend, from the beginning, go to Resource, Manage Blends, and then click Add a Blend. Now I can configure the primary table from Google Ads by adding a dimension, metrics, and table title. I'll click Join another table and select the data source. In this case, it's Facebook Ads. Then I'll add the metrics and dimensions as I did in the previous step. I do the same with Google Analytics. Blends are made up of tables, and each table contains a set of fields extracted from the underlying data source. One limitation is that a blend can have a maximum of 5 tables. Now is the time to tell Looker Studio how the tables are related. I do that by selecting a join key. If you look at the tables, the common field among all 3 tables is date. That will be the join key. While the date name matches in this example, the field's name is irrelevant. What makes the blend work is the values or data inside the join key that needs to match between these 3 tables. In my tables, there is only one date per row, which is what I want because in this example, the join key needs to have unique values for the blend to work. Now click Configure Join, and on Join Conditions, ensure the date field is selected. There are different other join operators you can choose from. In this example, I'll show you the left outer join. As you can see on the graph, the left outer join keeps all the rows from the left table and returns only the matching rows from the right-hand side table. Name the data source and click Save. I can close this window now. Let's add a table and use the blend I've created as a data source. I can now select fields from different data sources like amount spent from Facebook and cost from Google Ads. You might have noticed that the row containing data for October 17th is missing, even though there is data for October 17th in Facebook and Google Analytics tables. Let's investigate the cause. Google Ads is our left table, so all the rows from Google Ads are returned, but only the matching rows from Facebook Ads and GA are returned. Since there is no October 17th in Google Ads, I'm excluding that row within the process. However, that's not what I want, as I need a primary table with a row for each date. In our case, I know that there are sessions for every day in Google Analytics. In other words, a table will have a date every day. This is a better candidate for the leftmost table, so let's change the order of the tables. Now I have a table with the date every day coming from Google Analytics, and the fields missing from Google Ads on that date now appear as nulls. So I'll proceed to add all the fields to complete the table. I now have a table with data from 3 data sources. I want to know how much I spent on online advertising in total. Let's create a scorecard with a calculated field for that. Make sure your blended data source is selected and create a new calculated field. Now I have the total spent on Google Ads and Facebook Ads. You can confirm that the sum is correct by looking at each value separately, as I have here. One caveat with the calculated field is that you can run into issues if one of your values results in a null. Let's see how it works in practice. I know that for October 17th, I have null values for Google Ads. So let's filter the report to only show that date. Since the amount spent in Google Ads is null, Looker Studio returns no data on the sum, even though there is data for Facebook Ads. To fix this, you can use the coalesce function. Let's type the formula that replaces any nulls if it finds the rows with zeros. That way, you can avoid this issue. Let's complete the formula. The result is correct now, even when there are nulls. And this completes our Looker Studio onboarding course. Thank you for joining. You have now learned how to create data sources using Supermetrics connectors and add elements to your pages. You now also know how to style your report, create calculated fields, and join data from multiple sources using the data blending option. Happy Looker Studio reporting!